Hey, what's going on? How y'all doing today? So a lot of people have asked me to go ahead and order this robot vacuum, or perhaps it's a robot mop. I went ahead and ordered one on eBay. I did buy it used, paid 150 bucks shipped, and as you can see, I have not opened it yet. So hopefully it's all there, it's all in good condition. It's supposed to have a brand new battery. And any guesses at all before I open this? I'm sure some of you can probably guess it because a lot of people did ask me to get one of this or said it's the best one ever made. All right, let's go ahead and check this out. Like I said, I have not opened it, so we'll be inspecting this together. Hopefully it's all there like they said it is, and hopefully it works. So I will be doing a bunch of tests with this, and then I'll see if you guys were right and if I agree that it's the best of its kind. Here we go. What could this be? What do you think? That is some unique packaging. Wow, how many? What the heck are these? What the heck are these, guys? Some kind of absorbent pad. Is that for like dogs to pee on or something? Okay. I guess people will use anything to package stuff. I guess I kept it safer. Alright, let's find out what we got here. Oh my god, we got a lot of freaking pads. Oh, we're getting to it, guys. What do you think? Some of you are like, yeah, he finally got it. What is that? So what do we have here? Well, this is part of it, of course. Ooh, and it is dirty. So I hope this thing works. So this is the iRobot Scuba mopping robot. I'm just gonna throw away all of whatever this is. That's some weird packaging, isn't that? Hopefully it's not used. All right, so I don't know much about this, to be honest, except for a couple of really quick videos I watched. So let me know in the comments if I'm missing anything or if anything looks weird to you and what you guys think of yours compared to this one. So here's a very old school charging cable. I mean, look at that. Look how old this thing is. I haven't seen a charging plug like that in ages. When was this thing even made? I believe it's the 90s. Early 90s, I think. All right, this is... Sorry if I get some of these wrong, because I did not really research. I just went off what you guys wanted me to do, and I did. So I'm definitely guessing this is just a battery charger. Pretty good guess, I bet. And then there's all kinds of goodies in here. Then we have one of the brushes. Okay, I'll put all this in camera view once I move this box. Then we have, this is one of the boundary lines that you set up. Man, that's old. Wow. Then of course we have the main mopping robot. Ooh, that thing is heavy. That thing's gotta be what, 15, 20 pounds? Dang. Let me move this box. Looks like the rest is just gonna be more padding and trash for me to throw away. All right, let's check this guy out. Like I said, I really honestly don't know much about it. I honestly didn't even do much research. I just kind of bought it because you guys, a lot of people said the Scuba is the best mopping robot ever, and they're sad that they discontinued it. And you know me, I hate mopping robots, so if this thing from the 90s can outperform all that stuff that's new, that'd be quite impressive. Alright, so it looks like I have an extra brush. Man, this is so old. There's the squeegee. Sorry, I don't even know what I'm looking at. So obviously this is the squeegee. The water gets on here. Looks like it can get sucked up on both sides into the tank. So I didn't even know this used bristles to scrub your floor. I thought it would just use a pad, kind of like that crappy iLife. Wow. This is going to be very interesting to test. I really hope it does amazing. Let's see if it has a charge or anything. Actually, I'm going to dig into this more. Obviously, this is the water tank, dirty and clean. But what is this for? Is this a vacuum as well? I don't think so. Oh, what? Is this supposed to come in 2 tanks? Or did I just get lucky? I think I just got lucky and got 2 different tanks. Is that true, guys? That'd be a nice little bonus, and especially since I didn't even know that was going to be included. Feel free to let me know down in the comments if I have any of this wrong, because I'm sure I do. And I'm totally fine with that. So don't think you'll hurt my feelings, because you won't. So yeah, there's your dirty waters, clean water, and I got 2 of them. I highly doubt this came with 2 of them. So not sure why I have 2, but definitely cool. Man, it's so old. Let's pop back on this blue one, I guess. There's a carrying handle. Let's see if this turns on. I don't know if it has a charge or anything. No. Oh, no, there we go. I don't think I want this going on my table. I have a feeling it'll scratch it up pretty good, so. Saying I believe to add water, that'd be my guess. Because there is no manual or anything with this. And once again, I really honestly did not do research. Okay, here's where you plug in the power cord to charge. Then I'm guessing this, you take out the battery and you can charge it this way as well. So 2 ways you can charge the battery. Yeah, there's that old school plug. And yeah, so I still have the mess in that entryway where the last iLife ShineBot POS failed. So it still has that pudding residue. So you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and go over and I am going to try this guy out tonight, actually right after this video. I'll fill it up with some water and see how well this guy does. I hope you guys are right. I hope I come back and say, wow, look at the job this thing did. Why are they not making this anymore? Do I think that? I do like the fact that it uses bristles. That actually makes sense now because it's definitely going to beat up the dirt more. I don't know, we'll see. Let me know down in the comments as well. Was I supposed to get 2 of these tanks? Or did he just have an extra one and gave it to me? As well as, did this originally come with 2 of these? So pretty excited. I think we're gonna have a few good tests on our hands. And do me a big favor if you haven't already, like and subscribe. I continue to buy new robot vacuums, possibly some other old ones if you guys want to recommend them. And yeah, I really hope to like this guy. And then I'll go through how you clean it and if I think it's a major pain in the butt. Which I believe that was what somebody said. These things are a pain to clean, but we'll see. Have an awesome day, and we will see you in the next video.